So I am here to share my experience which I got during the NLP basic practitioner course which I got during the last 4 days. This was some course which I was very eagerly looking forward for, because I knew what NLP means, very basic things. I just knew the full form. I knew it is something to do with our personal effectiveness. So after going through this course, what I have learned, many things, many techniques to actually understand self, change our own behavior, understand others, and how to actually help others. I will definitely be able to help many people in many ways by using the NLP techniques. So very high value add, I could say, by undergoing this session. And I'm really glad to be a part of this, and thank you Prakash sir, Vidya ma'am. So, and also I would like to thank Sushmita and Namrata for being a part of this. We had a lot of fun and a lot of learnings together. So, there was a small activity done by Prakash sir where I always used to get, I was allergic to coffee. Though I liked coffee, whenever I had coffee, I had mouth ulcers. So a small intervention was done through which this perceived threat about coffee was removed. So after which I have had coffee on the first, second, third, fourth, all days, almost I think 1 or 2 times, minimum 1 time I have had coffee. And amazing coffee, ma'am, thank you. And I till now I have not experienced any kind of ulcer or any problem. So I hope this perceived threat has gone now and I can actually enjoy the coffee. So thank you. So here comes something which is very close to my heart. So during my earlier days, 3 years before, one of my colleagues passed away in a road accident. So this was done to actually take away some restricting behavior, where I said that I actually get too involved on road, and if someone breaks some rules or something, I get involved and I actually scold them on the spot. And I actually want to reduce this because it is neither helping me nor them. So that's when we did this intervention and dig deep. So the memory went to that time when Anand had met with accident and he passed away. So being a young chap, only son and all those things, it has affected me in a very deep sense. So whenever I see someone doing something wrong on the road, I feel if these people avoid doing this, probably some life can be saved. But as he says, everything is destiny. Probably the purpose of life of Anand was fulfilled. That's the reason he had to go that time. So now I have taken that off my mind. I have actually burnt that entire picture or video of that memory, is what I can say. And I am much more relaxed, and I am very sure whenever something like this happens on the road, I'll be handling it much more effectively, is what I can say altogether. So thanks a lot.